It's pumpkin spice latte season. Fall is here, and one of our favourite holidays is just around the corner, Thanksgiving. So, to help you create an easy Thanksgiving theme this year, I'll show you how you can design labels that are perfect for party favours, centerpieces, address labels, and more. Label Maker helps you create and print your own Thanksgiving labels at home using Google Docs and Google Sheets. After downloading the Label Maker add-on, open a new Google Docs document and leave it blank. We'll use this document to create and print labels. Then, in Google Docs, click on Extensions and then click on Create and Print Labels and go ahead and click on Create Labels. Now, in the Label Maker sidebar, click on Select a Template and then select the template you want. You've got more than 5,000 templates available. For this example, we'll go ahead and use Avery US Letter 5160. Click on it and then scroll down and click on Use. To insert a picture on your Thanksgiving label, you need to insert a table in the first cell of your document. That's the cell with the black border. The table will help us align the text with the image. You can skip this step if you don't want to insert an image on your Thanksgiving sticker. To insert a table, place your mouse in the first cell with the black borders. Then decrease the font size to 1. Go here and then decrease it to 1. This will leave some space for the table we want to insert. Now insert a 2-column table by going to Insert, Table, and then selecting 2 times 1. Here you go. And you can see how the table looks after it's been inserted. Now that you have a table in the first cell, you can add an image to your Thanksgiving label. To insert your image, you click on the first column here, and then you insert an image right here, upload from your computer, and then select the one that you want. I'll go ahead and select Thanksgiving or a pumpkin to go with the theme. And then once it's inserted, make sure you resize it so that it fits on your label. So here we are, we made it a bit smaller, and I'll go ahead and insert my text here to save some time. I had copied and pasted it before the video. You can go ahead and maybe change the font. So find something that's a bit more festive. I'll go for this one and maybe decrease the font size. You can really do what you prefer. Now that you're done with the size, the font, you're happy with everything, you can even change the color. We'll set it to blue, for instance. So you can see that you can really personalize your labels. Now we want to remove the black borders because we don't want them to show up when we print our labels. To do that, you need to select the table. So that would be to drag your mouse from the bottom right corner to the top left corner of the table. And then you're going to go ahead and set the border width to 0. So scroll onto More and then border width here, select 0, and that's it. You're all set. You've created a Thanksgiving label. Now you can either copy and paste this label into other cells if you want to make some changes by hand, or you can just use Label Maker to create an entire page of the same label for you. When you're happy with the design of your Thanksgiving labels, then create labels in the Label Maker sidebar on the right. If you want to print a whole page of labels that look the same, then make sure you check Use First Cell as a model. Click on Create Labels, wait a couple of minutes, and then your labels will be ready. Okay, now you can just go and click on Open Document when your Thanksgiving labels are ready. So that's it. You've opened the document and you can see all your Thanksgiving labels. Before you print anything, you want to preview your work, so make sure that everything looks as expected. If you do need to make some changes, then go back to the previous document, make your changes, and click on Create Label to create another sheet of labels. When your document is ready and your labels look all right, then go ahead and click on Print. In the print dialog here, you want to make sure that in the More Settings option, your margins are set to none and that the scale is set to 100%. Depending on the format of the label product, you may need to resize the page. So for example, we're using Avery US letter 5160, so the size here must be letter. That's it. With Google Docs, you can now create your own custom Thanksgiving labels at home. Google Docs offers a variety of fonts, sizes, and designs that you can use to create stunning stickers for your Thanksgiving holiday. So you can do that for any other celebration as well. If you've enjoyed this guide, then check out how to create other labels in Google Docs by clicking on the link available in the description.